There's something timeless about a farmhouse, but this one tells a story. This beautiful Bucks County farmhouse in Penrich School District is located on a nice 1.4 acre lot. Imagine coming out on this beautiful front porch, starting your day with a cup of coffee before the kids head off to school and you start your day. Right when you come through the front door, you'll notice the beautiful staircase located right next to the living room with an awesome fireplace. And continuing with this open floor plan, you have the dining area. Something I love about this whole floor is the exposed beams overhead, and that flows right into the kitchen. And this kitchen is probably my favorite room of the house. I love what they did with it, with the farmhouse style sink, the double ovens, and the beautiful cabinetry and countertop. And also conveniently located on the first floor is a half bathroom. And right through the kitchen, you have the back door here that leads to the spacious outdoor living space. Right when you walk outside, plenty of outdoor living space. Something I really love about it is there's not one but two outdoor fireplaces. Just imagine enjoying this space with your family and friends. All right, now let's check out the upstairs with the 3-bedroom, full bathroom, and a nice loft area. Right at the top of the steps to the right, you can see the 2 smaller bedrooms. Something else I love about this house and the details of it is the original flooring that they refurbished, the exposed beams, and the nice stone fireplace chimney accent in each room. And right in between all 3 bedrooms is the nice updated tile shower full bathroom. And you'll love the master bedroom with the beautiful exposed beams, the nice stone fireplace. And again, the original hardwood floors. And head upstairs and check out this awesome loft area. This farmhouse truly is one of a kind. If you are looking for a farmhouse on 1.4 acres in Bucks County, make sure to reach out to us. My name is Doug Bair from the Doug Bair and Nate Boykin team. And I almost forgot, but I did promise you this place at nighttime, so check this out.